everyone, welcome to the PaperWrld channel. Today we'll prepare a plan for the month of May on a fairy tale journal. The template I prepared earlier will make our job easier. Let's get started if you're ready. I'll take out my notebook to move more comfortably. Let me show you the details of the notebook again. I'll pin it down to move more comfortably on the page. I'm going to choose the colors for the page. I'm going to choose the colors based on the colors here. I'm cleaning the lines left after each drawing. I'll fill it in with this color now. The coloring part is over. Now it's time to do some journaling. I want to use the sticker over there. Now I'm going over it with my little board to make it settle well. I'm slowly removing it now. I'm starting now. I want to do some journaling at the top of the page, of course. I chose this color. I want the page to be whole. I also want to use some of this paper. I'm quite free in this part. I'd like to add a small note for the mail, so I'm going to use that. I would like to add a small note for myself to this part. Now we can move to the side. I start by going over the lines again. I need to pay attention to this part because I want it to be flawless. I wanted to show you a little bit closer, so we're going to put the days in, and I thought of the color brown for the days inside. I want to do something on the top, so I'm going to use this paper. That's the calip. I really want to use the singles, so I cut this out. I started going over it. I think that's my favorite part about these stickers. I think this tape is going to go well with the page, so I'm going to use this. I stick them everywhere because I love using these stickers so much. These pages are okay. Okay, so now we can move on to the next page. I'm going to start by going over the lines like usual, but before that I want to prepare this part. Let's also go over the days. I've gone over the lines. This is the final version. Now I want to use the prints to determine the days. I want to say something about these prints. It's better than I thought it would be. Let me show you a little bit closer. Now I'm going to fill in the blanks. I'm marking the week that we've planned. And finally, I want to do something to this part, so I'm going to use this paper. I wanted to use this flower. I want to make a few more final touches. We can say that our plan for May is ready. Please tell us what you liked most about this calendar in the comments. I'm also curious about what content you'd like to see. I would appreciate it if you share them in the comments as well. See you in the next video. Goodbye.